What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Ursigo. So, the new Mortal Kombat movie is coming out pretty soon, and I'm very excited for the movie. So, to help celebrate, I'm going to explain the powers of the Mortal Kombat character Reptile through biology and animals that already exist in nature. Before I get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Ursigo. Here we talk all about animals and the environment and how to save the world. So how about you do the world a favor and hit that subscribe button. So firstly, what exactly is Reptile? Well, according to Mortal Kombat lore, Reptile is a species of highly evolved humanoid reptile that is nearly extinct. Could a creature like this actually come about through evolution? Well, possibly, because there are some lesser evolved reptiles today that do have similar characteristics. Firstly, let's talk about Reptile's ability to walk upright, which is one of the main characteristics that makes him humanoid. While there aren't any reptile species that can walk upright quite like a human, there are actually over 50 lizard species that can run on two legs. The most famous being the Jesus Christ lizard, which can not only run on two legs, but can do so quickly it can actually run on water. One of Reptile's most unique powers is his ability to spit acid. While there aren't any reptile species that can spit anything that can be classified as acid, there are some ant species that can spray a formic acid. And there are some species of reptiles, like the spitting cobra, that can spit out their venom as a means of defense. That species will try to spit its venom into its enemy's eyes, and can do so with almost perfect aim. In the Mortal Kombat games, we can see Reptile using his long tongue for some of his attacks. There are a number of species that can shoot out a sticky tongue. Most people would probably think of a frog or a toad, but these are amphibians and not reptiles. But the chameleon, which is a reptile, does have the ability to shoot out its tongue to capture prey. There's even a species of chameleon that can shoot out its tongue 2.5 times its own body length, and at 8,500 feet per second. Could a tongue like that actually rip someone's head off if it were as big as Reptile's? Well, who knows. The next power we're going to talk about is Reptile's ability to turn invisible. For this one, you'll probably think of the chameleon again, but chameleons actually change their color based on their mood and not to blend in with their surroundings. However, there are some reptiles like the green anole that will change their color to blend in with their surroundings. There are some species, like certain species of octopus, that can change their color to camouflage even better than any reptile species can. There isn't any known animal species that can turn completely invisible. Maybe there is one, we just haven't found it yet because it turns invisible to hide from us. But maybe with enough evolution, an ability like this could be developed. The last ability we're going to talk about is Reptile's Ice Ball ability. This is an ability used by arguably Mortal Kombat's second most popular character, Sub-Zero, but it was used by Reptile in one of the games. While there aren't any reptile species that can produce a ball of ice to freeze their enemies, there are a number of reptile species that can use their venom to paralyze their prey. Given all of this, could a creature like Reptile actually come about through evolution? Why don't you let me know what you think down in the comments. Also, let me know who is your favorite Mortal Kombat character. Also, if you want an awesome recipe to make for the Mortal Kombat movie, I just posted a video on my food channel for some Mortal Kombat sushi rolls. I'll have that video linked on screen now. That's pretty much it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.